Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to clear or manage the recent section in Google Drive. If you want to organize your view or remove files from appearing in this section, we will guide you through some simple steps. On your Google Drive dashboard, locate Recent on the left side of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Recent section, select all the files if you want to clear everything. To do this, press Ctrl+A, and it will select all the files in your Google Drive. Once everything is selected, we can now move them to trash. Clicking that option will remove all the selected items from the Recent section. If you change your mind, we can also undo that by going to the trash. And that is how we remove files from Google Drive. Just remember, select the files or folders you want to remove, then simply delete them. And that's it. Your Drive view will be cleaner and more organized.